Welcome to live customers training. If you are on the live call, use the chat box to chat with me, ask me if you have any questions. But in case you are watching this video from YouTube or Facebook or any other social media accounts, then please know that this is a paid training for customers, but we are publishing this for free for everyone else. So everyone knows how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Sounds good? We deserve a like and share, right? Yes, go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. So everybody else learns the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way to make money online. On this training, we will show you how to use Epic and make money for free, literally. So in case you have Epic, super awesome, you can open and start using with me. And if you don't have Epic, link is in the description. It's free to start. Go ahead, start today. Let's start with today's money motivation. $40,040.25. This is so amazing. Affiliate commissions, completely passive income. These numbers are so exciting, but I will tell you, this is not the most important number. The most important number on this screenshot are these numbers. These are the clicks from our valued customers. They clicked our links because they loved our contents. Our contents like these videos. We use videos to answer people's questions. They love our answers, they click our links, and they buy from us and we make money. That's the simplest way of making money online. But this starts with a sincere intention of helping people. But unlike this channel, we don't use cameras and microphones for our other channels because it's exhausting to use cameras and microphone all day long. So we built our own software, Epic. We use Epic that allows us to make videos using image, links, and text. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. So go to this text section, click the text generator, put any text here, and use any of these buttons to rewrite any text from anywhere on the internet. And then take that text, go to the audio section, click the text to audio add button, put your script here, and click this button. Your text will turn into natural sounding voiceover. How cool is that? Epic does all this using artificial intelligence, and Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and text, and in bite size. You see on the right hand side, these are small section of videos. You can add as many sections as possible, save the campaign, go out there, do some other stuff, come back, add more sections, and the moment you are happy with your video, just click the render button and the video will be ready in the background inside our server, and then you can download it, upload it anywhere you want, like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and get customers from there. Now I will show you how to attract customers who have credit cards to spend money with. So we use videos to attract people with credit cards who know that they need to spend money in order to get help. Have them click our links and we make affiliate commissions. So I will show you step by step how to do it using Epic. Again, even if you don't have access to Epic, it's free to start. Link is in the description. Go start today. So let's start with the story of this person who stole money from me yesterday, around $100. I'm joking, he did not steal money from me. In fact, I paid him money for his help, and the money went to him automatically without me losing any money. So here's what happened. Do you see this little device? Do you know how it works? When I click this, see, I'm on full screen. Now when I click here, I'm on one side, click here, I'm on another side, click here on another side. This device is so useful to make my videos interactive. But previously, I used to open the software that I'm using to record the screen and myself, then click the buttons one by one. This was really painful. Now, I knew about this hardware, but I did not know that whether this hardware connects with my software or not. So I went to YouTube and I searched for OBS Stream Deck and I found this video. Now this video was really good and this person showed me step by step how to connect OBS and this hardware. So I liked his video. I did not go anywhere. I simply clicked the more button, click on this affiliate link, and I purchased this. Can you see that? You last purchased this item yesterday and it's a $100 product. So this man definitely made money from my purchase. You see what happened here? I am a buyer. I was looking to buy something. And although this video did not get a lot of views, it's simply 21,000 views, but all the views are from buyers. They either have this item or they are looking to buy this item. Now, one important thing here is that I did not care about the video is with camera or microphone. It was more about information, how to connect the hardware and the software, whether the hardware and the software connects or not. I just needed the confirmation and I got the confirmation, so I bought it from here. Now, how can you make a similar video using Epic, using image, links, and text? So I'll show you how. Let's say just go to Google and search for OBS Stream Deck and look for an article that shows you how to connect this to hardware and software. Then simply copy this image address. Now, if this image has an image extension like JPG or a BMP or PNG, it will connect automatically. If it doesn't, then don't worry about it. There is another way. So let's try first. Go to the image section and Control V, and looks like, oh, it came. All right, this is good. Even if it doesn't come, no problem. There is another way to import images. That's why we made Epic. Epic works for us and Epic works for the users, and it will work for you too. Link is in the description. It's free to start. If the image is not automatically imported, just copy the image directly and click the click here button, paste it here, then upload it. It will be uploaded in the library, and then just click use to import the image in your canvas. Super simple. Now, step number 2, I want to add a voiceover. So for that, I need text. What I'm going to do is just copy this text. For example, you can use the artificial intelligence to rewrite it for you using Spinner or AI, or for this example, just go to the audio, click text to audio, give it a title, choose the quality, choose the voiceover type, and paste the text. Click submit, and your voiceover is ready. Go to text to audio, click add, and the voiceover is added in this section. You want to hear it?
Record lets you start or stop a recording. A long press option is available.
This is so awesome. Now you can play with this image a little bit if you want. You can enlarge it, you can reposition it. It's your choice. Go to the text section and let's play a little game. Paste your text here, change the font if you want, to do as you choose, and let's play the audio first.
Record lets you start.
Once it says record, select the record text and click this button. Only this word is here, you see that?
Or stop a recording. A long press
Now when it says a long press, add.
option is available.
We want once enabled.
The key needs to be pressed and the recording starts or ends. Held for 5 seconds before the recording starts.
Now I'm going to rearrange the texts just to show you how it works. Change the colors if you want, change the colors and shades, give it italic and bold, a totally different color, a totally different color. Now play and see what happens.
Record lets you start or stop a recording. A long press option is available. Once enabled, the key needs to be pressed and held for 5 seconds before the recording starts or ends.
Nice. We have made some other videos as well. Let me show you.
Are pregnancy pillows safe? Yes, one should most certainly use a pregnancy pillow, especially post 20 weeks or when you start noticing.
Nice, right? Go another type.
If you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. Millions of the world's most successful brands trust Shopify to sell, ship, and process payments anywhere.
That's right. This is how you can use Epic and make simple, informative videos that attracts customers with credit cards. Just like me, when they will get help, they will love your content, they will follow you, and eventually they will buy from you, and they will not care that they're buying from your affiliate links. So if you're still waiting, don't wait. Use Epic. Start with the link in the description and start helping customers. You can start with simply by liking this video and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and on your social media timelines. Go ahead, do it. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one.